Can you believe this? And look, used to this is the river. This river was really higher, and the logs had to be de-jammed. And over there's like a little space to put a sawmill or a water mill. I think there was a sawmill here before, right here where we are. And you can see these are I think you call them goélette, I think, to help them to move the wood. And so they parked them on the side here. And obviously I think the water used to get a little higher, and obviously trees started to grow inside it, like literally inside of it. It's pretty old. Look at that cage here for that propeller. They had to go through the rocks and everything. So there were dams set up on this river, multiple places. As you can see, trees started growing on top. Pretty impressive. Roots are in there. Pretty impressive. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. Imagine you have that in your backyard. Crazy. Unexpected find, I tell you. Piece of history right here. Here's the front. Yeah, you can tell that it has some history.